So, next for Murasaki, we have chairo. Chairo, it means brown. Okay, so we have here kuma. Kuma means bear. So, we have a brown bear here. And we try opening it. Ta-da! In here, chocoreto. Chocoreto for chocolate. And then we have momoiro. Momoiro, peach. Kawaii. And then our next is kuro. Kuro, it means black. Black. Yoru. Yoru, it means night. So we have here a full moon and a half moon. So we can see the moon when it's dark. Hai, tsugi. Kochira desu. Shiro. Shiro means white. And we have here kumo. It means cloud. Cloud is color white. And then we have here hitsuji. Hitsuji for ship. So this is the ship. Hitsuji. Kawaii hitsuji. Hai. Iro no ehon. So you can actually buy this in Daiso. Sa Japan lang. Hai. Tsugi ikimashou. So we're done with the colors. So let's try animals. Dobutsu. So dobutsu, animals. So you can practice reading hiragana using these books. So let's check. Hai. So first is kochira desu. Kame. Kame. So we have here English turtle or tortoise. Rikugame. Okay, hi. Tsugi, next is rayon. So here we can also practice